Okay, we had sealed the head. Then I went through and I sanded it all down. I went through and had to touch up some spots, so we got those touched up and sanded them down. So last thing we want to do now is to put our ears on, or our horns. And again, we're using 1 5/8 for these horns. And we're going to glue these on now. And screw them in, and we inset the screw so we can cover it with putty. So the screw's going to give it extra strength to hold it in there, and the glue will keep it from rotating on you. Other side here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Got our horns on there, so we'll let this set up. Then we'll take some putty and go around that so it'll blend in. And we'll cover up these screw holes with putty. And then we'll go on to the next step. Thanks for watching.